Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This time it's gonna be a polygel overlay manicure, and I will show you these little nails. This is a busy mom who just gave birth to her second child, and she waited understandably about 6 weeks to come back to me and get a new set, and she wanted to leave her nails kind of mid-length. I remember when I last did her nails, that was back in June 28th, I believe, and she was due on July the 8th. And I remember I left her nails very, very short. She said, cut them very short as possible. And so I did, and you guys saw the length that she had when she came back to me after 6 weeks. And I was like, girl, these nails grew super fast. Let's get to work. So anyways, we got to work. And I want to tell you something that you probably have noticed. I have adapted to using a cylinder diamond bit for cuticles, just basically breaking the link of the dead skin attached to her nail plate and her proximal fold. I like to use this just to kind of like open up that pocket and push back the cuticles. I'm not using an orange wood stick anymore to push them back because it is a little bit uncomfortable for my clients Jesus, can't speak. And so I just like this better because at the same time I'm also getting rid of most of the pterygium that they have on top of the nail plate. Now I always following that cylinder diamond bit, I always follow with a flame diamond bit after that way I can go in deeper into the crevices and sidewalls, as you see me doing right now. So after dehydrating the nails and priming them, I went in with this carbon gel base fiberglass gel from Fox Nails. I went ahead and covered the nails, the entire 10 nails, okay, with this gel, this base gel, because this is a strong gel and I applied a very thick layer, mainly because she had cracks on all of her nails, all of them. As you can see on the sides, she had cracks very high up, and I just didn't want to risk it, so I just applied a very thick layer of this fiberglass base gel from Fox Nails. I will be sure to link it in the description for you guys in case if you're interested in purchasing it. And this is how I apply the polygel on all of her nails. I just go in and apply the bead right on the nail, and I just flatten it a little bit with my dampened brush. That way it doesn't smear on the side. And then I just start working on each nail as I go, on all of them, and then cure. Now here are her nails, and guys, I ran out of space, internal memory, on my phone, because I use a phone currently to film. So I had to ask my client to borrow her phone, and so I was able to film the end results, and I could not film the between. So here are the end results. I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit that I was able to get of the process of the entire video. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.